Hey guys, welcome to our Freshers World YouTube channel, Jobs and Career. Today we came to you with a new job fair information. This job fair is going to happen on 8th February 2020, which is on Saturday at Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. So I will keep the free registration link and venue details on the description below, so please go through it. Now let's dive into the topic and see which companies are participating in the drive. The first company is Prestige Construction Group LLP, and they are hiring for assistant electrician, foreman electrician, technician, senior technician, multi-skill technician, data analytics, artificial intelligence, telecallers, and the qualification they are looking for 10th pass, 12th pass, ITI, all trades, diploma, BE, EEE and ECE, mechanical, BSc, CS, BCA. People can apply for this job. And next move on to the second company is IOSys Software India Private Limited. For React JS developer, BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA candidate can apply. For WordPress developer, BTech, BCA, MCA, MTech. For UI UX designer, any design related degree candidates can apply. HR recruiter, any HR related degree or experience candidate can apply. Sales and marketing, they are looking for MBA or relevant degree. Next is Dr. Alliance. They are hiring for regional development representative, and qualification they are looking for is any graduate. I'm skipping the job description area and I will be sharing this doc link in the description below, so please go through each and every job in detail before going to the drive. They are also hiring for assistant clinical coordinator, and the qualification they are looking for is BSc, MSc nursing, and clinical coordinator, junior software developer, senior software developer, junior quality assistant. And the qualification for clinical coordinator is BSc, MSc nursing, junior software developer is BE, BCA, MCA, MTech. Senior software developer is again BE, BCA, MCA, MTech. For junior quality analyst, any graduate can apply. Next is HDFC Life. They are hiring for Smart Achiever, PGPLI upgrade, frontline sales. This is a job oriented program. Any graduate from any stream can apply for this. Next company is Pinnacle Infologics. They are hiring for Magento developer, any IT degree can apply. Laravel developer, again any IT degree. Customer care executive, any basic degree. Front office and account executive, any basic degree. Office assistant, any basic degree. HR executive, any management degree. Business development executive, any management degree. Finance and executive manager, degree in finance. Junior software trainee, any basic degree in IT and diploma in IT can apply. Next company is Zestech Global Private Limited. They are hiring for sales and marketing professional, any degree. English trainer, any degree. Zestech School of Learning trainers, any degree. Technical recruiter, they are looking for only female candidates, any degree. Next company is Nandit Toyota. They are hiring for sales officer, procurement officer, technicians. For first two roles, any graduate can apply. And for technician, ITI in MMV, diploma in automobile, diploma in mechanical can apply. Next is Tata AIA Life Insurance. They are hiring for relationship manager, corporate account manager. Any graduate can apply, and this is a job oriented program. Next is Man United. They are hiring for supply chain management, male, wealth manager, business development executive, female, and career counselor. For all these four roles, any graduate, postgraduate, even freshers can apply for this job. Next is Bisleri International Private Limited. They are hiring for sales officer, any degree. Quality officer, BSc, MSc chemistry. Logistic officer, any degree. ITI and diploma apprenticeship. HR admin, MBA, HR, any degree, female. Next is IIFL India Infoline Insurance Brokers. They are hiring for telecallers and team leaders. For both the roles, they are looking for undergraduate and graduate. Next company is Hebbewu. They are hiring for sales executive, digital marketing executive, web designing, and graphic designing. All these three roles, the qualification they are looking for is any degree. Next company is Artec Infosystem. They are looking for technical support engineer, any graduate with backlogs, preferred CS background. Next is Pratian. They are hiring for skill assured program orientation. Again, this is a job oriented program. Next company is Get My Uni. They are hiring for inside sales executive, junior content marketing specialist, SEO specialist, and for all these three roles they are looking for bachelors in any field. Next company is ISM University of Skill. They are hiring for placement officer, BBM, BCom, second PU passed out, student counselor, any with good communication and skill, accountant, BCom with tally knowledge, data entry, any with typing speed, career advisor, 10th pass, 12th pass or degree. Next company is Trident Automobiles Private Limited. They are hiring for sales executive and qualification they are looking for is any degree. Next company is Wings. They are hiring for CSR, BDE and BDM, and for all these roles they are looking for undergraduates, graduates and MBA. Next company is Stock Market Institute. They are hiring for Business Development Manager, Business Development Executive, Inside Sales Executive, Student Counselor, Operation Executive, MIS Executive. For all these three roles they are looking for UG, PG, PUC candidates. Next company is MyRescuer. They are looking for Field Sales Executive. The qualification required is 10th pass. Next company is First Source. They are hiring for Customer Service Associative, Internal Voice, Customer Service Associative, Domestic Voice, and the qualification they are looking for is minimum 10th pass. The next company is Target Infotech Private Limited. They are hiring for Software Marketing and Sales, Software Support, Software Marketing and Sales. For all these roles, the qualification they are looking for is any graduate diploma. Next company is Outright, and they are hiring for Business Development Executive, Personal Development Trainer, Placement Officer cum Trainer, Product Consultant, Educational Academic Counselor, Sales Manager, Telecalling, Telemarketing Executive, and finally Business Analyst. Next company is V Technologies. They are hiring for Business Development Trainee, AR Caller Trainee, AR Analyst Trainee. For all these three roles, the qualification they are looking for any graduates. And the next is Medical Coding Trainee. Qualification required is Life Science background, CBZ, Microbiology, Biotechnology. Senior Business Development Executive, any sales background, US sales added advantage. Medical coder, US medical coding experience is required. AR caller, account receivable, US medical billing experience is required. Corporate sales, B2B sales, corporate sales. Next company is Muthoot Finance. They are hiring for Junior Relationship Executive. Qualification required is graduate and postgraduate, and probationer officer qualification they are looking for is MBA and MCom. The next company is 3SS Hospitality, and they are hiring for 20 plus more roles, and the qualification mainly they are looking for is catering or hotel management degree, diploma, any. Guys, still 10 more companies are able to confirm their presence, so please keep on checking the Google Doc which is shared in the description below. Hope this information is useful, and if you are not in the age group to attend this drive, kindly do share with your friends, and it's completely free registration. We are coming up with new set of videos, so keep watching our channel. Thank you so much.